This is an S20 LCD that I bought from China for $20 US. Let's see if a $20 US flagship phone S20 LCD. Actually, this is an OLED. OLED LCDs are very expensive. They cost around 100 to 120, but I got this one for $20. So let's see if a $20 LCD is really worth it. As you can see, it's an used one. It's not brand new. I hope it's working. This is the glue. I think this is a screen protector or some. This is a screen protector. It's not a tempered. So let me grab the phone so we could do our testing. So here is the phone, the S20. I'm going to do some cleaning. I'm going to fast forward because there's nothing really to see. Okay, I'm done cleaning. Let me remove this access right here. So guys, I bought this LCD for $20 and it's a flagship phone. S20 is a flagship. The LCDs are very expensive. It's a cool phone. I think it's a 6-year-old phone or 5 if I'm not. So let's go ahead and do the testing. Let's do the testing. So let me remove the glue. I love this type of glues because they're very smart. You just stick it on the frame. Let me straighten it. Guys, this is my $20 LCD. It was very cheap. Let's see if a $20 LCD is really worth it. The specs of these phones are very nice. I think they have something like a 12 gig RAM. There's 8 and 12, and mine is a 12 gig RAM. Space storage, I think it's 128. It has a Snapdragon processor. I love gaming, so I got myself a high performing phone. I'm going to enjoy playing PUBG on this phone. And the refresh rate is very nice. So here's the moment of truth. Let's light it, let's turn it on and see if the LCD really works. It's working. I hope the digitizer is working too. I'm going to put a link to the store where I bought this LCD from. There we go. Let's see if the digitizer is working. Let me disable the talkback. The LCD is working, the digitizer is working. There we go, guys. There is my $20 LCD, but it has a dent right here, that black dot, but it's not that bad.